Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Nintendo eShop error 2811 or 7429 for purchasing Hollow Knight Silksong on the Switch or Switch 2. There are a couple of steps, so try them separately. The first thing you want to do is wait and retry, close the shop, wait for 5 to 10 minutes and try it again. That's what the official Nintendo support recommends to do first. The second thing is restart your Switch, power cycle the console. So hold the power button for 3 seconds, select power options, restart for a full restart, turn it off completely, unplug any docked accessories, wait 30 seconds and turn back on, then reconnect to Wi-Fi and retry the shop. The next thing you want to do is verify and troubleshoot your internet. How do you do that? Well, you want to test via system settings, internet test connection, and make sure that it's working. If possible, clear the system cache, so go to system settings, system, formatting options, and clear cache, and then select whatever user you're doing, and see if that works. The next thing you want to do is update your system software. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues, so go to system setting, system update, and check for any updates. Now, if you want to work around and none of those are working, what you can do is open Nintendo eShop website on your phone or computer browser, log into your Nintendo account, search for Silksong, and purchase. And what it will do, it will queue for download on your Switch, and you can bypass any issues you might have doing that. Or what you can do is go to the Humble Bundle. It's often available during launches. You go to the Humble Bundle and go to the eShop. Go to eShop, enter code at the bottom, and this bypasses the eShop traffic. Okay, try those things. If it works, please let me know in the comments. I really appreciate it, and have a nice day.